guys, I have come up with a new series of video to show cooking quality of various varieties. So let's begin. I would like to explain about how to get a proper cooking test done for your rice. In the screen you can see column raw rice. We have taken 100 grams samples of raw rice and soaked it for 20 minutes. Now this is a column raw rice which is 5 mm in length, very thin sleek grain. The only reason it is soaked is for it to cook better. Some people soak, some people don't, and you can do it as per your choice based on the results that you expect. This is house of 0.5 centimeter, which is 5 mm. So what we're doing is we're doing a electric cooker cooking method and taking a ratio of 1:2 water ratio. Normally not everybody uses an electric cooker. For example, in a country like Singapore, a lot of electric cookers are used, whereas in India there are pressure cookers used, there are water boiling method and draining method, but this we've used an electric cooker. Right now we just compare as to what is the volume that it has given before cooking and after cooking, meaning 100 gram sample has given us what kind of output weight. So you can see that the length of the grain is doubled. This particular way of checking the quality of the rice after cooking by adding some water and soaking for some time, about half an hour, is just to see whether the rice is intact. Is it bursting? If it is intact, it means the quality is good. If it is bursting at the ends, you can see some of the grains here which we will indicate to you. The grains, if it is intact, which means it is good quality. The ones which has burst in the edges shows that it is not good quality. So overall it's a good quality rice. There are a few other ways in which people do check quality, whether it is sticky, whether it is uniform, these kind of things are checked. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share this content with your fellow traders. This will help us motivate to make us more videos like this, and we will come up with more interesting facts about rice. Thank you.